This is red mulch that spent about 10 years inside of this garbage can, and something happened to it. The dye is supposed to keep insects away, but as you can see, there's small tunnels all the way through it. As it turned into more of a dirt substance, termites got to it. There's thousands of termites on this mulch. I just dumped it out where I could use the barrel. It's away from the house. I'm just gonna spread it out here and let it rot. Doesn't even really look like mulch. It's still red, but it's more of a dirt now. Can't even see anything. No chunks of wood anymore. They're still inside here.